Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at the new ZQ2 Halo head strap for the Quest 2 from Yoges. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative Halo strap to the likes of BoboVR, then this strap carries a number of features that in some cases improve upon the base level M2 Halo strap. In the box you get a paper instruction manual that tells you how to install the head strap onto your Quest 2 headset, and there is the head strap itself, all pre-built and ready to install on your Quest 2. Looking over the head strap, its form factor and design is very similar to BoboVR's M2 head strap, although the ZQ2 immediately feels a little cheaper in its build quality. The rear padding is a little different in shape and foam density. Again, its adjustment mechanism feels a little cheaper in its construction, but it does the job. With a large turning dial that has a shape that makes it much easier to grip and turn than most alternative head strap dials, and it also has a well-designed and soft rear foam cushion padding that helps to support the back of your head quite well. At the front, the design is very similar to the M2, with two fixed top padded arms that reach upwards and rest on the top of your head. On this head strap though, the oval padding contact points are much bigger and help distribute the pressure on the top of your head much better than the M2 does. And the plastic isn't as rigid enough, so they can adjust to the top contours of your head so that the pads can make full contact with the top of your head. The black coloured side rails slide onto the Quest 2 headset in a similar way as the M2 head strap, but on this strap there is a raised end that helps to prevent you from pushing the head strap all the way down the side rails so that you fit them perfectly as the maker intended. Unlike the M2 strap, there's no small front Velcro attachment on this head strap. However, they have included a padded top strap that is slightly thicker padded on the back end for added support and comfort. Like the foam pads, it's made from PU leather, so it can be easily wiped down if it gets a little sweaty. Like other Halo straps, the top strap is positioned over the front of the head strap and it attaches back onto the headset's inner top strap loop. You could quite easily remove and not use this top strap, but this will result in more front weight pressure from the headset onto the two front head and forehead pads instead. I found wearing this head strap to be very comfortable thanks to the softer padding all around. It was a little more cushioning than the M2 head strap from BoboVR. I didn't experience any rise up at the back when viewing vertically with the head strap on, and the larger head contact points were more comfortable with a better sense of even pressure being applied over the M2 strap. Being a Halo strap, you get the same advantages of front headset pressure being lifted from your cheekbones area. So overall, I found this Halo strap a decent and to some extent a more comfortable alternative to the BoboVR M2 head strap. The Yoges ZQ2 head strap for the Meta Quest 2 currently retails for $29.99, £23.99 from Amazon UK with coupon, and €29.99 from Amazon DE. And you can check out my links in the description below to learn more about this head strap and to buy yourself one. At this price, it's a little cheaper than the M2 strap, and although the M2 may feel a little more premium than the ZQ2 strap, I feel that the ZQ2 is a better buy, purely because it feels just that little bit more comfortable with the two wider top pads and has a much more comfortable rear padding cushion than the M2. You do miss out though on a more premium adjustable dial at the back, but the dial on the ZQ2 feels better to grip as well as to turn. It's just that the mechanism inside feels a little cheaper and loose when it isn't being worn. Like with most Halo straps, the headphone support for the ZQ2 is great. I tried it with my Bose QC35, SteelSeries Arctis 3 and Logitech Pro VR headphones, and I could get them all on successfully without any obstruction from the head strap, and that's whilst wearing the top foam padded strap. So if you're after a new Halo strap for the Quest 2, then the ZQ2 strap from Yoges is a decent contender for being one of the better Halo straps that are out there for the Quest 2. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you were to pick this up over the M2 strap, although if you wanted a battery solution, then I would still go with the M2 Pro for a Halo strap with a battery instead. Alright, thanks for watching and I hope you found some value in this video. If you have, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the ZQ2 Halo strap from Yoges. You can check out all my other Quest 2 head strap reviews up in the top left playlist window. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch all my future content. Support this channel by sending me a super thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.